In May of 2017, my wife Terry and I received the terrible news that she was diagnosed with stage 4 brain cancer, a tumor called a glioblastoma tumor. And so for the next 16 months, we made the journey of her illness together. She underwent surgery to remove the tumor. She went through chemotherapy and radiation. She did physical therapy. She suffered a lot over the course of those 16 months. She was a very brave person. She went to church for as long as she could. And in the end, she just was not able to defeat the cancer. And so she passed away in September of 2018. It was never hers, and certainly it was never my will that we would want her to suffer from cancer. We were looking forward to years of retirement, many years of retirement, and travel and spending time with our kids and our grandchildren. And that didn't come to pass. But there was a grace, a very hard, bitter grace, but grace nonetheless, that came to me through her illness. And it came to me in two ways. First of all, I was graced by being able to live out the vows that I had made when we were married in 1988. My vow to love her for better or for worse, and in sickness and in health. I was given the grace to be able to be her caregiver and to make good on that promise. And the second kind of grace that I received was the help of so many people during her illness. My 3 kids, my grandkids, friends from our neighborhood, other relatives, siblings. And so even though I would never, ever have willed for Terry to be sick, it still was a moment of grace for me. And to this day, I continue to look at it that way.